In this time and age, there are lots of professional scammers going around scamming people. In the early 90s, there's this famous one called UV Strike, which millions of Papua New Guineans have fallen victim to. And just recently, we have Golden Sun, we have Naki Power, and we have the most recent one, SSC PNG, which most have fallen victim to. In Papua New Guinea, people are looking for fast money or fast money schemes. They believe that they can just put like 5,000 kina and they can make 10,000 kina within 2 weeks or month. In reality, there's no such investment exists. There's safe investment that PNG Securities Commission regulates, where you can invest in and you can see the fruit of your investment. Basically, there are two types of investments. There are high risk investment and there are low risk investments. With high risk investment, there's probability of making significant amount of profit, and there's also the probability of losing significant amount of money from your initial investment. That's why it's called high risk investment. As with a low risk investment, there's no probability of losing your money. Your money will be there, and that your return on investment is a consistent amount. Today I'm going to talk about the low risk investment, which is the bonds. What is a bond? A bond is simply the money that you lend to the company or the government so that they use it to make money, and in return they pay you back with interest. In PNG, we have treasury bill and treasury bond. What's the difference between those two? Treasury bond is simply the money that you invest and want it to stay beyond 2 years, and treasury bill is simply the money that you invest and you want it to stay less than 2 years. So this number of years given in the forms that you'll fill, and you'll have to tick which number of days that you wanted your money to stay before it matures, and it'll be deposited back into your account. So that's basically what treasury bill and bond means. In PNG, Bank of Papua New Guinea are the ones that you'll have to go to invest, whether in treasury bill or treasury bond. There's forms there. You can just go there, you inquire, and they'll give you the forms, and then you fill it and put your initial investment there. Okay, as a new investor, this is the form that you are gonna fill when you visit Bank of Papua New Guinea to invest in the bonds. Basically, it's about your personal information. See, customer ID here, they will fill it themselves. You're gonna fill starting with full name, and then postal address, residential address. Okay, payment method, you're gonna select which method you want them to pay you, whether it will be in check form or they'll do direct transfer into your account. And then the banking details, the account number that you want them to deposit money into. And then they'll also send you notices. So whichever method you want them to send you notice through, whether it's via letter form, fax, or direct email to your email address. And the last part is the authorization part, where you gotta sign to authorize it, and the receiving officer also will sign. Fill your date, and that's it, you are done. These are just basic information I gave about investments in Papua New Guinea. If you're interested in high risk investments, you can go to Papua New Guinea Stock Exchange PNGX website, and you can read more about stock market and buying of shares. If you are interested in low risk investment, you can visit Bank of Papua New Guinea websites and read more about bonds, treasury bill and treasury bond. And from there you can be able to make your decision whether you want to invest in Papua New Guinea Stock Exchange or treasury bills and bonds with Bank of Papua. Or you may consider diversifying your investment, meaning you invest some of your money with high risk investments such as PNG stock exchange, and some of your money you invest in bonds. So in that way, your investments are diversified. So whenever the other investment is not making quite enough money, you also have the other investment that is earning you quite a good amount of money. So you still get return on investment regardless of any economical situation that the country goes through. Thank you.